Morning YouTube. It's day 2 of this intermittent fasting weight loss journey. One thing I need to remember is getting enough rest. I'm pretty tired this morning. Took some pre-workout, but it's waiting on it to kick in. But I'm gonna do this 30 minutes on the air assault bike, just like yesterday. And I think I might do some intervals, maybe do 30 seconds, like high intensity, 30 seconds of slower cycling, and then do 30 push-ups, and then I may do 30 reps with the ab wheel. So we'll see, but get this workout in. Hope you guys are doing great, staying safe, and I'll see you after this workout. Hey YouTube, just got that workout in. Did 30 minutes on the air assault. I did intervals, did 30 seconds, high intensity, a minute, low intensity, then did 30 push-ups and 30 bicycle crunches. And yeah, once that pre-workout kicked in, if you guys looking for a good pre-workout, it's at Walmart, 6-star nutrition. It's like Ripped. I think it's called like Rip Fury. Tastes pretty good. Do like 1 scoop, no jitters or nothing like that. Get you going in the morning. But yeah, couple hours. Let's see, it's about 9:30, so I got about 2.5 hours before I can eat. Hope you guys are doing great. Be safe. Live your best life. Remember, it's you versus you. See you guys later.